First, I give honor to God, to Pastor and Pam, Johnny. Pastor, my 25. Oh man, God, this thing come back on. Okay, this is what I went through. Psalms 23 and 4. Yea, though I walk through the valley of the shadow of death, I will fear no evil. For thou art with me, thy rod and thy staff, they comfort me. Pastor, you know I came to you and I told you I felt like I was going to die in 25. But you know, I kept listening to you saying that we shouldn't fear death because we're Christians, we know God, we got God in our heart. And I tell you, Pastor, the devil is a lie. And I tell you, I just thank God for my Vision Open Bible Church family. Their prayers have really comforted me when I was sick. The things I have been through, you guys comfort me just like the Lord. Well, I can't say like the Lord, but y'all comfort me, man. That's all I got to say. And I love my family. This is my family. The devil is a lie, and I'll stomp on them.